Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner in Austin there, and this video was a request by new account. He really wants me to do a video of this Elvis Presley crooner singing Boston Terrier sings "Don't Be Cruel" on low batteries. So, yep. So I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make this video right now about this singing dog on low battery. Okay. That's what it does. That's what this Elvis Presley crooner singing dog does. That's what it does. I hope you enjoy this video, new account, because you might love it. That's what it does on low batteries. I hope you enjoyed this video, new account. It's really funny on low batteries. Okay, so here's the video about this Elvis Presley crooner singing Boston Terrier on low batteries that sings Don't Be Cruel. Okay, new account. I hope you enjoy this video, new account, because it's your request. So goodbye and have a good day. And also, have a good summer too.